Ba-dum-bum-bum. Hello, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how we use YouTube for business, and I'm going to share 7 principles so you can do it too. And hopefully this makes it really easy for you to build a powerful business. So 7 principles are making videos that are evergreen, your MPK or your most profitable keyword. There we go. Your MPC, your most profitable click, free gifts and lead magnets, 100% SEO, thumbnails, and value. And we're going to jump into each of these one by one. All right. This is why evergreen content is the absolute best. So what is evergreen content? So evergreen content is good today, good tomorrow, and good the next day, good in the future. So if you produce evergreen content, then it'll help you get leads forever. So the benefit of it is that people will continue to watch your videos in the future. And if you do it right, those videos can produce emails for you, produce sales for you, and they can do all that while you're sleeping. And that's very helpful for your business. And so to create evergreen content, you want to focus on principles. So principles are things that are not related to the time or the date or the time of year. That you want to focus on things that are always going to be true. And the word evergreen comes from evergreen trees. So if you're in certain places, there's trees that are green all the time. You want your content to be green all the time, always making you money. And so it takes a little bit of extra thought before you create your content, but it's totally worth it because you're going to be creating content ever. And evergreen content that's good forever, is just way more valuable for your time, energy, and effort. So the first tip is to create evergreen content. All right, let's talk about how your most profitable keyword will make you a lot more money. So what is a most profitable keyword? So a most profitable keyword, when you have your business, there's 1 or 2 keywords that if your clients or potential clients are searching for, that if you win that keyword, if you rank for it, if you get the traffic, then it can make your entire business successful. So you don't need to have tons and tons of different keywords. You want to figure out what your most profitable keyword is for your business specifically. And so again, not all keywords are created equal. So even if you get more views with certain keywords, those are not necessarily your ideal customer. So you want to figure out what is your ideal customer searching for, and you want to focus on the keywords that they're searching for. And then quantity has a quality all itself is the rest of the quote. So quantity has a quality all itself. If you create lots of videos, a high quantity of videos around your most profitable keyword, then you're more likely to be successful on YouTube. So it's a little bit of a numbers game. So you want to create lots and lots of content, but you want to focus it very directly on your most profitable keyword for your business. You don't want to go very wide. You want to go deep, and you want to think of it like a war where you're competing each time. For the more videos you create on that keyword, the more likely you are to win that territory or win that ranking. So you got to figure out what your most profitable keyword is. All right. Your most profitable click, this will make you money. So your most profitable click, your MPC, as we call it. Let's switch colors here. Your MPC, as we call it. So your most profitable click, similar. So what is a most profitable click? No matter what you're doing in your business, you're always driving people up this ladder. So a most profitable click is going to bring them from maybe a free video to something that's paid or to your email list. And then from a small product to a more expensive product. And then from a more expensive product to an even more expensive product. So you always have a path that the customer's on. Your most profitable click is the click that's likely to get them up to the next level of the stair stepper. And so again, not all clicks are created equal. And this is one of the big mistakes a lot of people make on YouTube, is that they'll say, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. And if the person is to take that action and follow your advice and click where you tell them to click, those clicks are not profitable for you. So what you want to have is a clear call to action, a clear CTA, and that where the action that you're telling them to take is going to be to click on your most profitable click. Depending on what your business, it might be a little bit different. A lot of times we'll drive people to an email list. Some people do direct to product. But you want to figure out what the most profitable click is for wherever they are on the customer journey, right? And so it's going to be a little bit different if they're watching YouTube videos versus if they're already on your email list. So you might have different most profitable clicks depending on where they are here on this stair-stepper journey. But no matter what, you want to be very clear, and you want to have one singular call to action that escalates the customer or moves them further along in your business. All right. Talking about free gifts and lead magnets. So you might have heard the term free gift and lead magnet. So on the internet, your email list is your money. So what you always want to be thinking about is growing your email list with the right type of people, the right customers for you and for your business. And so the way you do that is whatever your core offer is, you just want to do a slice of it. So, you might have a 10 video course and you might give one of those videos away as the free gift. And then that gets them on your email list. So a free gift or a lead magnet gets them on your email list, gets them to raise their hand and say, yes, I want this, send it to me now. And you want it to be a slice of your offer because if they like that, then they might like the rest of the course. So it's a really easy and obvious upsell versus if you have a free gift that's not really related to your product or service, then when they join your email list, they're anticipating one type of offer, and then you're going to come in and give them a different type of offer, which is not as aligned. It's less likely to be successful. So you want your free gift to be a slice of your core offer. And then lastly, you want to have a clear call to action. So whatever your call to action is, you want to be very, very clear. And if it's on a YouTube video, then you would say, click the first link in the description of this video. That way they know exactly where to click. You told them it's the first link in the description. So there's no ambiguity about where they should click. And you also want to have it a clear CTA, meaning you don't want to have lots of other blue links and distractions around that click, around that lead magnet. You want it to kind of be isolated at the top so people can find it. They don't need to read, they just click and they go exactly where you want them to go. A lot of growing your email list is just good, clear communication and telling them exactly what to do next, and then eliminating as many other options as possible. So your free gift. All right. Stop letting SEO freak you out. So we hear this a lot. SEO is confusing. It's hard. And that's not true. You just need to know how to do it. So SEO, what's the idea? So first you want to figure out what your most profitable keyword is, because you want to rank. SEO helps you rank for keywords when people search for them. So if your ideal customer is searching for something like real estate, multifamily investing, or morning yoga, right? Whatever it is, you want to create those videos on YouTube using your most profitable click. And you want to use SEO Studio, which is a tool that is in TubeBuddy. And you want to use SEO Studio, and they will get you 100% SEO score. It takes about 2 minutes. All you do is you enter your most profitable keyword, and then you follow their instructions, and they'll get you 100% SEO score for all of your videos. And again, it takes 2 minutes. It's idiot proof. Anybody can do it. You can train VAs to do it, or you can take some time yourself and do it. Now, you need to get 100% SEO score on your videos just to get a ticket to the game. If you want to be successful, whatever your keywords are, and you're trying to rank for your most profitable keyword, you absolutely need to get 100% on all of your videos. Now, the asterisk to that is sometimes you can only get like 99, 95%, and that's good enough. Sometimes it just won't go to 100 for whatever reason. But SEO Studio walks you through the process of how to get 100 or very, very close to 100. And that's absolutely necessary if you're going to be playing the YouTube game on all of your videos. All right. What happens when you get your thumbnails right? This is what happens when you get your thumbnails right. So when you get your thumbnails right, you'll get more clicks on your thumbnails, you'll get more views on your videos, and you'll get more leads for your business. That's exactly what will happen. People will see your thumbnails on YouTube. If they're crappy and they suck, then they won't click on them, and YouTube will disappear them from the face of the earth. If they're good, meaning they're getting clicked on and they're getting engagement, then YouTube will show them to more people. You'll get more clicks and more views. So having great thumbnails is absolutely necessary. And so the way you do that, again, more clicks, more views, more leads. The way you do that, again, is in SEO Studio. They'll walk you through that. You're going to create the thumbnails for whatever your most profitable keyword is. So you enter your most profitable keyword into SEO Studio. You optimize it to 100%, just like you did right there. And then the last slide, they'll show you what thumbnails are performing best for that keyword. And you just look at those thumbnails and you replicate them the best you can with your style and with your brand. And that'll get you everything you need from a thumbnail perspective to be successful on YouTube. All right. This is why you need to add value on your YouTube videos. So value, value, value. People are searching for your most profitable keyword. And as soon as they start watching the video, they want to get value from your content. And so one of the mistakes a lot of people make is they manipulate watch time. So instead of getting the value right away, they'll talk about, other stuff. They'll talk about their dog. They'll talk about what they're doing this weekend. And you want to get rid of all of that stuff. You want to get immediately to value. So if people are searching for multifamily real estate, then you want to say, hey, in this video, I'm going to teach you about multifamily real estate. That's called your hook. Let's change colors here. That's called your hook. And so that'll get them to stay right away. You need a hook, and your hook has to be valuable for the audience, for the people that are searching for it. And so once you say the hook, hey, I'm going to show you this cool thing, let's get started, then you get into the value, and that's when you add value right away. So whatever your business is, whatever you're an expert in, you start adding value, and that's the name of the game. Make values the primary thing. If an entrepreneur fails to add value, they will fail. And if you add tons of value, you'll have tons of success. So don't be shy, add tons of value. And then the last step is to have a valuable call to action. And so if you have done a good job with structuring your business and aligning everything, then they'll watch your YouTube videos. And if they like that, then they might also like your free gift or your lead magnet, right? Your most profitable click. So at the end of your video, you'll say, go click on my most profitable click. And then you explain to them why it's valuable to them. So that way, all of these are totally in line. And it's just 1, 2, 3. And so you want to get to value right away. The other reason why that's super important is that once people watch your video and they recognize your thumbnails and they recognize your brand, if they recognize that you don't get to value right away, say you waste time right here, then the next time they see your video, they won't click on it because they know that you're wasting time. So one of the things a lot of people make mistakes is that they'll do sponsorships at the beginning, right? Sponsorships. I'm not going to be able to fix that. They'll do sponsorships at the beginning. And when you do that, then the audience is not getting value, right? And so you're violating the rule of value. And so make your videos as valuable as possible. We don't do sponsorships for that reason. And if we do a sponsorship post or an email in a different setting, that sponsorship has to be super valuable. It can't be just doing it to get extra money. You want it to always be delivering value to your audience, and you want to get a reputation for delivering lots of value, because then everyone will consume your content because they know that you are there to help. You're not there to do sponsorships, so you're not there to waste their time. So value, value, value. All right. So those are the 7 tips for YouTube. Make your videos evergreen, find your most profitable keyword, find your most profitable click, have a free gift or a lead magnet that's a slice of your core offer, get 100% on all SEO videos, have banging thumbnails, and get to value right away. Hope this is helpful.